Welcome to this lesson on persistent identity and pod names in StatefulSets. In this video, we'll explore how StatefulSets provide stable network identities to pods through predictable naming conventions. Understanding this concept is crucial for working with stateful applications in Kubernetes. A stateful set is a Kubernetes workload controller designed specifically for managing stateful applications that require persistent identity. Unlike deployments where pods are treated as interchangeable and can be replaced at any time, StatefulSet pods are not interchangeable. Each pod maintains a unique and stable identity that persists across restarts, rescheduling, and even failures. This makes StatefulSets essential for applications like databases, distributed systems, and clustered applications that need consistent identities to function properly. StatefulSet pods follow a very predictable and simple naming pattern. The format is statefulset-name, followed by a hyphen, followed by an ordinal-index. This ordinal-index is a sequential number that starts at 0. This naming convention ensures that each pod receives a stable and unique identifier that remains constant throughout its lifecycle, even if the pod is deleted and recreated. Let's look at a concrete example to make this clearer. Suppose you create a stateful set with 3 replicas and name it database. Kubernetes will automatically create 3 pods with the following names: database-0, database-1, and database-2. Notice how the ordinal index starts at 0 and increments by 1 for each subsequent pod. This predictable pattern makes it easy to reference specific pods in your application. The most important benefit of this naming convention is that it provides a stable network identity. The pod name remains constant across restarts and rescheduling events. Each pod's DNS hostname is derived directly from its pod name, which means other pods and services can reliably communicate with specific pods using these consistent names. This is absolutely critical for distributed systems that require peer discovery, such as database clusters, where nodes need to find and communicate with each other to replicate data and maintain consistency. Let's recap the key concepts. First, StatefulSet pods have predictable and persistent names that don't change. Second, the naming pattern follows the format: statefulset-name, hyphen, ordinal-index. Third, the ordinal-index starts at 0 and increments sequentially for each replica. And finally, these names remain stable across all pod lifecycle events, including restarts, failures, and rescheduling. This stability is what makes StatefulSets perfect for stateful applications that depend on consistent identities.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.